The filter busted. So we're gonna get a new one, but look. I'm gonna turn this off. Shut up! The filter is right there. Now the most suction is right here and here because it goes straight up and turns the corner and back. And if you plug these, there's gonna be more suction here. But if you have it coming through here, you should never have it coming through here. You should have it coming straight out or through the pipe, because that's not the best. And they made these things so shitty that it stops right fucking here. Like, the LG is the best one, I think. You press it and two other vents drop down about this way so it covers the whole thing. And this shit tag, I call it the shit tag because it's shit, is rated at 300 CFM. Model number YMMV4203WS. And it does not say it anywhere here. Doesn't even say it here. I don't know why it doesn't say it here, but they should put it here. Now, this is high, and there's and these this thing here blocks the restriction. Like, these holes should not be here. They should be like, I don't know, something else. But if they just took this off and move this filter right here and put one right here, and actually instead of putting these here, you see this big thing here, they should move this right here. Right here. Oh shit. What? We lost the freaking plate. And guess what? Look. If you look there, it's not sealed right. So, if I ever buy one of these, I'm gonna probably just take all of these screws out, so this whole panel just drops down, so that when I turn on the fan, it's just gonna go straight up and just out, you know. But I'm probably just gonna, but fuck. I'm probably just gonna put a huge fucking filter there if I do that. But I like to put this like this. If we're only cooking on one side, so that it doesn't go past here, and it makes the suction better. Like this. Hold on. For fuck's sakes. If I put it here like this, right? Then I put my hand right here. There's a lot of suction going on. I don't know if you're gonna be able to hear it, but not enough to hold a little tiny lid. Like, look. I don't know why they made these so fucking shit, but they need to make these better. And this is on the highest setting. Look, and it's trying to stay up there. It's trying to stay up there. See, it's trying to stay. Now, if I unblock this, watch this. Less suction. Look, it doesn't even stay. So if there's suction, just block this off with, I guess, the foil duct tape, because this foil duct tape is the best. Now just tape it, you know, and then just test it out, because this is fucking stupid. I don't know why, but they fucked up so bad, and it's so dumb. But this is our piece of shit over the range microwave. I fucking hate them. They're stupid as fuck. So if you have an over the range microwave and it's just going straight out, tape, and it has vents here and here, just tape it. Just tape the vent closed up here if it's going straight out or if it's going up and through the vent outside. And outside, make sure that it's not fucking, make sure that the vent outside, like that, is not taped or like shut, because that is going to not do any fucking good. If it's jammed shut and you can't open it, if it's shut, try to open it a little bit or open it all the way. But when you do that outside, make sure the fan is on full blast. Because, yeah. And to get out the smell in the rest of your house, put on all the bathroom exhaust fans. That's what I do all the time. I put on all the bathroom exhaust fans, and they're always clean. That one we just changed. It was a 50 CFM, but I put in the the brand new Newtone. $60 CFM. Been here for a couple months. Let's see how dirty it is. Look at that, there's already dust. Wow! This fan is doing an awesome job. And sometimes the fan doesn't fit right, so I put some tape because it blows back into it and it's not good. So I put some tape there so it can stop it from blowing back into the bathroom, because I can feel it through the cover. Now, if your bathroom, you close this, make sure this vent is closed. Make sure that is closed, because that's going to affect the air coming in. If that's open, close it. And you see this gap under the door. If it's about right to my finger right there, if it's to my finger, right? If it's like right there, cut it. Or do something, buy a new door or something, or just leave the door open like this. Leave it open about this much, so that the air can come in and go out. And if your bathroom is not, if your fan is not doing it enough, buy a bigger fan. The biggest fan you can ever buy is the Braun 310 CFM fan. That's the biggest one to buy, but it's $250. And I wanna buy it like when I'm older and I can actually fucking afford it, because I would just install it. I don't know, in my room. I would install it in my room, right in my room. Have the cover off, and yeah. But what is that? Oh my god, there's fluff. Ew, there's fluff on my foot. But anyways, oh, fluff on my feet. But anyways, yeah. Do that to your range hood and test out your bathroom exhaust fans. And make sure they're clean. And if you want them to suck better, If you want, take off the cover. Okay, just take off the cover. This is a Bro 90 CFM fan. I'm probably gonna clean it soon because it's been on all day, all night, 24/7. I'm probably gonna do that right after I upload this video. This is in 4K though, so I'm gonna go do that now. Like, subscribe. Anyone that dislikes my video is a gay fucking cunt faggot. Okay? You dislike my video? You're gay? You're ugly? You're a kid? And you're a fucking faggot? And you should not deserve to have a YouTube channel. You do not deserve to watch my videos. Anyone that talks shit about me deserves to get terminated on YouTube. Because, yeah. But anyways, and if you have a Brita filter, make sure you change the filter every 3 months. A lot of people, they just have a Brita filter, they say it's good for like a year. No, you have to change it every 3 months. I replaced it in January. So January, February, March, April, right? So it was about January the 5th. So about March the 5th, right? The February to April, and if it's in March to May, you know. So yeah, like, subscribe, and like my videos, and comment down below what videos you want me to do, and I'll do them. Okay, bye bye for now.